Hey everyone, these are 5 useful Microsoft Excel tools that I've learned from the Protege program. Bear in mind that some of the samples are simplified due to time constraints in this video. So let's get started. Firstly is the filter function. You can select the header of the table and go to sort and filter and click on the filter function. This will create a drop-down arrow for you to eliminate any of the data for ease of viewing. Second tip is using freeze panes. It is especially useful in big data as it allows you to scroll through your Excel sheet while keeping the chosen column or row visible. Thirdly is the VLOOKUP function. This function allows you to find things in a table or range by row. In this sample, I'm using it to find the rating whenever I type in the name of the movie. The fourth tip is using pivot tables. It is a powerful function that helps to summarize large datasets. Here, I will be using the recommended pivot tables as it helps to generate the table instead of creating from scratch. From the list, I will be going by sum of sales by genre. Here you can see the generated pivot tables, and on the right side, you can continue to edit the table. For example, I will be putting band and album into the filter category, which will create a drop-down menu on the left side. Lastly is index and match. Index has a similar function to VLOOKUP in which you can use to find a value from an array. For example here, I can use index to find the value on row number 1 and 2, and in return will get the value of 288. Match on the other hand is a function to locate the position of a lookup value. Here, I can look up the value of May, which will return the value of 5, which means row number 5. And in example 2, I can look up the value of DVDs. Here, it will show 2, which means column number 2. Both of them can be used together to create a more powerful function. For example, I use both index and match to give me the sales for corresponding product category and month. Here, I can change DVDs to, for example, books, and the month from May to March. And in return, it will give the sales value. Thanks for watching this video, and hopefully you find the tips and examples useful.